You cannot receive benefits without sharing the responsibilities. And this apply in all areas of life, in romantic relationships, in family dynamics, in business partnerships, in all relationship dynamics. This needs to be known that you cannot receive benefits without sharing the responsibilities. And people will try you, and it's up to you as an individual to uphold this firm boundary and to make it known. Just carry that energy that you cannot receive any benefits without sharing the responsibility. And it's so crazy, but it's also human nature that people will only show their best selves and come put their best foot forward when they have something to lose. So remember that.